Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then again 7 minus 2 is equal to also 5. Now 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is this parenthesis. Okay, so 7 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, is equal to. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication, and then we have to solve this subtraction. Okay, so 7 minus 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. So now 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 3. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.